Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Element, a popular Discord alternative that focuses on privacy and decentralization. Now to get started, go ahead and open any browser and go to their website. It is element.io. From here, you want to choose sign in actually, then choose open Element Web. From here, you should see the option to continue, to create an account. And then from here, you can either create a username or continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, Facebook, or GitLab, or even with an email address. For this instance, let me go ahead and continue with Google. And then it'll ask for a username, an email address and use, and your display name. So let me just type in here a username. Once done, simply tick this box to agree to their terms and conditions, and then hit create account. Next, simply choose continue. Wait for a bit. And just like that, you've successfully created your Element account and you're ready to start chatting. Easy, right? So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!